Hello, my friends. Good morning. Hope you are doing well. And we are back with our data science tutorial, data science sessions. So today, what our topic is, we need to understand what is exploratory data analysis or what is EDA. We have seen SQL and heard a lot of SQL. And I would like to share some concepts about SQL to my friends so that my friends you have a good concept of how it works. So let's start. So if you see my friends, I have prepared some slides for you. So let us understand what is EDA. So what is EDA? EDA is nothing exploratory data analysis. What it does, it means understand your data. See, whenever in a real-time industry, we have a raw data. If you see, this is the raw data, and the raw data is transformed, or you can call as data processing to get the clean data. So we need to understand the data first. So what do you mean by clean data? Clean data means you need to find out the missing values, the duplicates, the outliers, the inconsistent data. Say, for example, you see Delhi in Delhi. See, all the words are the name of the city, but having the different characters, uppercase and lowercase. So wrong data type, loss of insights. So when you have clean data, you can give insights. You can prepare visualizations, dashboards, and report making. You can do make a decision making. And when you have, and then you can predict in future, that is machine learning, model training, and forecasting. As we already know that image speaks better than any raw informations. Let me move to my second slide, my friends, and understand what is database. Database is collection of data stored in the tabular form. So we'll show you one example, then you will understand more clearly. So what are schemas? So schemas we have already understand in Power BI. There are star schemas and snowflake schemas. These are example of star schemas in my case, if you see, where these customers, products, and territories are the dimension tables, or you can say the primary tables. And below the sales and returns are the fact table, that are called the transactional tables. When I move to my next slide, you see what is the DML statement. The DML commands are CRED, CRUD, CRED, C for create, R for read. What we give a select command, and U for update, and D for delete. So this is the data manipulation language code. And you see what is data? Data is any raw information. In today's world, data is money, knowledge, and oil to industry. And this is an example of an how outlier income and age. If you go to next, what is SQL? SQL is a structured query language and the mode of communication between two people on a common ground or two organizations. And if you see, this is an example of DMS. This is my app, and this is database, which cannot be directly connected, but we need a DBMS in between so that a connection can be defined. And the DBMS could be MySQL, SQLite, Oracle SQL Server. When we go next, and this is the practice sessions, my friends, which we will do in our next class. You see, this is http www3schools.com. If I try to open this, my friends, you see for you guys, and if you see, this I have opened it, and this is the command select star from customers. When you run this, you get your data. So this is how you can, you can practice your SQL and try to learn some of the commands. We will deep dive into our SQL practice session in my next class. So please subscribe my channel and ask your friends to subscribe my channel. It is absolutely free session. Let's learn, grow, and explore in the data science world. Have a great time, my friends. Have a great health. Take care. Goodbye. And have a good day ahead.